Hello friends, welcome to Easy Electronics. This is Miss Kirti Nashikkar. So we are in number systems and digital codes, and we have seen introduction to number systems. We have seen the interconversions from binary to decimal and binary to hexadecimal, as well as decimal to binary, decimal to hexadecimal, and hexadecimal to binary and hexadecimal to decimal. Then we have seen how we can perform the subtraction using ones and twos complement method. We have also seen about the binary coded decimal number, which is BCD code, and gray codes. Today we are going to discuss about gray to binary and binary to gray conversion. So let us start with the gray to binary conversion. So for gray to binary conversion, we have to follow the following steps. The MSB of gray and binary. We have to write the MSB of gray and binary directly. Add binary MSB to the next bit of gray code, and then we have to record the result and ignore the carries. Continue the process until the LSB is reached. So this is the actual arithmetic, that is here the MSB is written as it is when we are converting any gray number to its corresponding binary. So the first MSB is written as it is. Then we have to add this MSB B to the next gray digit, and then we will get the next binary digit. Again the next binary digit, which is B2, is added with G1, and the B1 gets added with G0, which gives us the final bit or LSB of binary, which is B0. Now let us discuss about the binary to gray conversion. For binary to gray conversion, follow the steps given below. We have to record the MSB as it is. Then we have to add this bit to next position, recording the sum and ignoring the carry. Record successive sums until completed. So this is the example. Here binary digit 11101 is given, and we have to convert it into its gray. So again the first MSB is written as it is. Now this MSB gets added, binary MSB gets added with the next binary digit, and the result is 10, but sum is 0 and carry is ignored. Again B2 gets added with B3, so 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry 1 is ignored. Then 1 plus 0, that is B3 plus B4, sum is 1, which is written here, and then B4 plus B5, so 0 plus 1 becomes 1. So this is how we can convert binary to gray. So here I have given some of the examples for converting binary to gray codes and vice versa. So try to solve these examples and try to find out the corresponding results as per the steps given. So the next lecture is alphanumeric representation in ASCII codes and division. ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So thank you so much.